Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up VPN on Motorola Moto E40. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. Then select this application and click install. Now you can close this ad. And now click allow. And click consent. Now you can click this button to start your VPN and click OK. And now you can close this ad. And as you can see, now I'm connected to VPN in Netherlands. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.